Hi guys, it's Sarah. How are you all? So we got a package in the mail today and I wanted to open it on camera. I thought that would be something different. And so I have some scissors here. I'm gonna cut across the top and I'm going to open it. I do not know who it's from and that sort of makes it fun, I guess. So if I can only open this without cutting myself, that would be preferred. All right, so you can see I'm all dressed up in my cute little holiday garb, and because I'm feeling the spirit, and we'll go from there. If I just did this, it would probably make it a lot easier. There we go. All right, so I'm going to show you what's in this box as I open it. And, well, let's see what this is first. Peace, love, and joy on the ribbon. How cute. I love this. All right. Oh, wow. Okay. This is really cool. It's from Santa Claus. Hello, Sarah. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
This is Santa here in the North Pole. Santa knows that you have been good this year.
I've been watching your YouTube channel with Mrs. Claus. Even the elves join in too sometimes. And we love it.
I have especially noticed all the amazing art you have been producing, and so we wanted to offer up a special challenge. Uh-oh, a challenge from Santa Claus. Okay.
Mrs. Claus and I would like you to use the following colors: violet, yellow, and blue. And you can pick up to 2 of your own to create something extra joyful for all your viewers. Oh man, I don't do well with yellows.
We have also included an extra special little something for you to use as inspiration. We can't wait to see what you do with it, and we will be watching on December 13th to see for ourselves.
Be safe and have fun. Love, Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Well, I guess I have to have something ready for December 13th. So let's go through the box. I have Naples yellow. We know how well I do with that. Oh, I love this color. I have a gray blue. Both colors are from Amsterdam. And permanent, oh gosh, I can't read it. Permanent violet. So this should be fun. And so my little bit of inspiration to start, which is really quite cute because I'm a Tim Burton fan. And we have a little Lego. I can't recall her name right now. Honey, what's the name of the Tim Burton?
The girl?
Yeah.
Stitch girl?
Yes.
Sally.
Sally. Yes, we've got Sally. And even the wrapping paper is just like Sally. This is really cute. Ah! Okay. Here's some inspiration. Oh my goodness. All right. Let me open up this. Look at the wrapping paper. It is so cool. Oh, I love it. All right. Whew. Special edition, Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas. I hope you enjoy watching this fun movie. I can't love Connie. I don't know. I can't read it. Good Lord. I'm having a tough one here. All right. Yes, sorry. It is Connie. So I'm not sure who Connie is, but she has Moonlight and Magic Etsy shop. So we'll take a look into see what kind of shop she has. So let's look forward to December 13th. It looks like I'm painting for Mr. and Mrs. Claus and all the elves in the North Pole. Have a great day, guys. Bye.